Bienvenue à Quebec. Welcome to Quebec City, one of the oldest cities in Canada. Known for its historic architecture, cobblestone streets, and French heritage, Quebec City offers a unique European feel right here in North America. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is full of history, culture, and natural beauty. And trust me, whether it's your first or your fifth time here, Quebec City will leave you enchanted. In this video, I'll share the top 12 things to do in Quebec City. Number 1. Montmorency Falls. Just a short 15 minutes drive from Old Quebec, you'll find Montmorency Falls, an impressive cascade 30 meters taller than Niagara Falls. Wow. It was once a gathering place for indigenous people and later became a military landmark during the French-British conflict. For the best views of the fall, climb the staircase to get an up-close view of the roaring waters. There are also trails and picnic areas in the park, and in the fall, you'll be surrounded by golden foliage. You can even zip line across the waters if you're feeling brave. In the winter, the fall freezes into a massive sugarloaf ice cone. I'll definitely visit again then. You can also cross the suspension footbridge for a thrilling vantage point with the falls on one side and Île d'Orléans on the other side. It could get quite windy while you're up on the bridge, so brace yourself. A short walk from the suspension bridge will bring you to Montmorency. There's a construction work going on currently as of September 2025, but usually features a very beautiful garden at the entrance to the house. The house is still open to visitors even with the construction ongoing. The manor house has been a historic landmark for centuries, and today it features a gift shop and a restaurant. For panoramic views of the fall, you can also take the cable car. The cost of the cable car is separate from the falls entry tickets. Per tip, combo tickets with entrance to the falls and the cable car cost $29 and get your guide. You have the falls on your left and Quebec City in the distance to your right while riding the cable car. Number 2. Quebec Lévis Ferry Cruise. Speaking of great views of the city, another way to get a breathtaking view is to take a cruise along the St. Lawrence River. The easiest and cheapest way to do it is to board the Quebec Lévis ferry. The ferry terminal is located across the street from Petit Champlain. Round-trip tickets can be purchased on site and cost $8.30. You need to book a round-trip ticket even if you plan to take the ferry back immediately, as all passengers must disembark from the ferry upon arrival in Lévis and then scan their tickets and re-enter. The vessel has indoor and outdoor seating. The outdoor second level is probably the best spot for good views. It's only a 12-minute crossing, but the views are some of the best you get of Old Quebec. As soon as you sail across the St. Lawrence, you see Old Quebec skyline, Chateau Frontenac, and the fortified walls. Sunset is the best time to ride when the golden light hits the rooftops and the city glows. Now on to Old Quebec. Old Quebec is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is divided into Lower Town, which is home to landmarks like famous breakneck stairs, Place Royale, Petit Champlain, and the Quebec Mural arts, and Upper Town, where you'll find Chateau Frontenac, Dufferin Terrace, and historic fortifications. Number 3. Petit Champlain. This is one of North America's oldest commercial streets. It's often called one of the prettiest streets in Canada, and you see why. Today it's lined with artisan shops, galleries, boutiques, and cozy restaurants. In the winter, it transforms into a fairy tale scene with twinkling lights and snow. You can meet with some of the local artisans and discover indigenous crafts, sculptures, and Québecois terroir products. Number 4. Place Royale. This is where Quebec City was founded and is the birthplace of French North America. In 1608, Samuel de Champlain built what was the first permanent French settlement in North America. Here you find Notre-Dame des Victoires Church, one of the oldest stone churches on the continent. With cobblestone streets and restored stone houses, Place Royale feels like stepping back into 17th century Europe. Number 5. Quebec City Mural, Frex de Québecois. Located just a few minutes from Place Royale is an enormous mural depicting Quebec City's 400 years of history. It's a great photo stop. Number 6. Dufferin Terrace. Take the funicular or climb the Frontenac stairs to reach Dufferin Terrace, a boardwalk overlooking the river. At one end stands the monument of Samuel de Champlain. Take a stroll along the terrace, watch the street performers, or treat yourself to a great view of the St. Lawrence River. In the winter, the terrace hosts the famous toboggan slide, a thrilling seasonal activity. Number 7. Chateau Frontenac. Chateau Frontenac is the crown jewel of Quebec City and is popularly known as the most photographed hotel in the world. It was built in 1893 by the Canadian Pacific Railway to attract luxury tourists. Guests have included Winston Churchill and Franklin Roosevelt during World War II. Even if you're not a guest, you can explore its lobby or take a guided tour through the hotel's public spaces to admire its hand-carved beams, chandeliers, and learn about its fascinating history. Number 8. Quebec's cuisine and Poutine. Quebec is a food lover's paradise, blending French traditions with Canadian flavors. While you're here, sample Canada's national dish, traditional poutine, which is crispy fries topped with gravy and cheese curds. I must confess, I tried poutine in Montreal once and didn't quite love it. Do I need to upgrade my palate or did I just have a bad experience? If you decide to try out poutine, Le Chic Shack, a restaurant just a few steps from Chateau Frontenac, is a highly rated restaurant famous for poutine. Number 9. Notre-Dame Basilica. Founded in 1647, this basilica is the mother church of the first Catholic parish north of Mexico. It is home to the only holy door outside of Europe. Inside, you can admire the stained glass windows, ornate altars, and historic relics. You may even catch a mass in progress like I did. Number 10. Explore other historic churches in Quebec. Apart from the Basilica, Quebec City has a number of historic churches such as the Notre-Dame des Victoires Catholic Church, the oldest stone church in North America right in Place Royale, and the Cathedral of the Holy Trinity, the first Anglican cathedral built outside of the British Isles. Number 11, Plains of Abraham, Battlefield Park. This is Quebec City's largest urban park. It is where the 1759 battle that shaped Canada's destiny was fought between British General Wolfe and French General Montcalm. Today, it is a large green space perfect for walking, biking, or just laying on a blanket to enjoy a picnic. It is also where major festivals, concerts, and winter activities happen, so it's history and recreation all in one. Number 12, Citadel of Québec. The Citadel is a star-shaped fortress at Cape Diamond and is still an active military base. It has been home to the Royale 22E Regiment since 1920. In the summer, you can watch the changing of the guard ceremony at 10 a.m. and also the daily cannon firing at noon. There are guided tours offered of the fortress, and you can also check out the museum to learn more about military history. Whether you're here for history, culture, food, or simply the views, Quebec City truly feels like an European escape right here in Canada. So, which of these activities would you do first? Let me know in the comments. And if you're planning a trip, don't forget to subscribe for more Canadian travel guides. Thanks, and see you soon.